Hi, and welcome to CCNA subnetting video number 2. This is the second of 8 videos that are included with the ICND1 and ICND2 official exam certification guides from Cisco Press. This video shows a second of 3 examples of how to find the subnet number for a given IP address and mask. In particular, this video shows how to find the resident subnet for IP address 10.99.88.77 with mask 255.255.248.0. This video has the same tactical and strategic objective as does the first video. In particular, the tactical objective is to help you learn how to use a particular process, as shown in the books, to find the resident subnet for a given IP address and mask. Strategically, this video and the others are designed to help you learn how to subnet quickly and with confidence so you'll be ready for the exams. At the end of this, we'll point you to more practice so you can get to the point where the process is automatic. What you see on the screen now is a summary of the process that will be demonstrated in this video. I'm not going to go through every step at this point. The point of the video is to show an example of its use. It's just listed here so that you can move back in the video to review this process for easy reference. So let's take a look at the example for this video. You start with a convenient place to write down the numbers, and you start at step 1 by simply recording the subnet mask and IP address in the first 2 rows of a table. Then you find the interesting octet, which is the octet in which the mask has a non-255 or non-zero value, which of course is the third octet in this case, and you draw a rectangle around it. Then at step 3, you find 3 of the 4 octets of the subnet number. At step 3a, for any octets fully to the left of the rectangle, you simply copy the IP address's value in those octets down to the row for the subnet number. Then at step 3b, for any octets fully to the right of the rectangle, you simply write down a 0. Step 4 finds the value of the subnet number in this remaining interesting octet. The process says to first find the magic number. Now the magic number is 256 minus the mask's value in the interesting octet, which of course is 248 in this case. So the magic number is 256 minus 248, or 8. Then in step 4b, you calculate all the integer multiples of the magic number, starting with 0. And because they won't all fit on the screen, I put some of the more interesting values here. Now to find which of these multiples is the value of the subnet number in this remaining octet, we compare the IP address's value in that octet to the list. And we want to pick the number that's closest to 88 in this case, but not bigger than 88. Well, it's pretty clear that 88 is actually one of the numbers in the list, so 88 is closest to itself and is not bigger than itself. So the subnet number's value in this octet is 88, giving us a subnet number of 10.99.88.0. The best way to get good at this process and to get fast at this process is to practice. So if you'd like, go ahead and try the problem you see there on the screen now and find the subnet number, and then you can check your work with the process using Subnetting Video 3. To continue your practice, you can go to the ICND1 or ICND2 exam certification guides, which each have an identical Appendix D, which provides you some more practice.